How to use the most common English expression awesome in your daily life. The word awesome is used a lot in common English expressions. It is often used to describe something that is very good or excellent. For example, you might say, "That meal was awesome," if you really enjoyed it. You can also use awesome to describe how you feel about something. For instance, you might say, "I'm feeling awesome today," if you're in a great mood. In addition to its common uses, the word awesome can also be used more literally to describe something that is awe-inspiring, such as a stunning natural landscape or a work of art. Ultimately, the meaning of awesome is up to the speaker or writer. So it's important to pay attention to context clues to understand how it is being used. I hope you found it useful and informative. Remember to check our playlist for more lessons on how to use common English expressions in your daily life. Thanks for watching.